Welcome viewers. In this video, you are going to learn the correct usage of every day without a space as a single word and every day with a space, every day. As many people get confused and they don't know when to use every day as a single word without a space and when to use every day with a space. So let's begin. So first, every day as a one word without a space. It's an adjective. Every day is a single word that means used daily and routinely. You use every day without a space when you want to tell people your regular work. So here you see some examples. First, I finish my everyday work, then I play. You want to say you finish your regular work and then you do other work. So this is about something which is regular on routine basis. Another example, my everyday meal is very simple. Here you want to say that whatever meal you take every day on regular basis, it's very simple. So you will use every day without space. Now you see here every day with a space. What does that mean? It's an adverb phrase. It means each day, just like you say every month means each month. In the same way you say every hour, every minute means each. So every day with a space, it refers to each day. Here you see some examples. I work every day, each day. So you will use the space here. Every day I go to gym. You want to say each day you go to gym. So you will use a space. Every space, then you will write day. I watch TV every day. Here you want to say each day I watch TV. So here you will use every day with a space. Now here you see some more examples of every day without a space and every day with a space. First example, my everyday lecture is long. Number 2, everyday phone calls are disturbing. Now you can see you are using everyday as an adjective without a space. Now everyday with a space. I call my mom every day. You want to say you call your mom each day. So you will use every day with a space. Zara attends her classes every day. That means each day. So here you will use the space. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.